The Automated Calandria Tube Installation project is a first of its kind for both Bruce Power and the ATS Industrial Automation Nuclear team.
Delivering a solution that enhances radiological and industrial safety and improves quality and reliability with precise automated tools were key drivers for this project.
The unique aspect of this project is that it marks the first time an industrial robot has been used to install critical CANDU reactor components.
Together, we're changing the way we approach reactor refurbishments by providing trade operators with new, precise, remotely operated tooling for the historically manual tasks.
The Automated Calandria Tube installation equipment is expected to significantly reduce cycle times, an example of what can be achieved with close collaboration, engineering excellence, and the drive to innovate.